Alright folks, what's going on? It's your man Jay. We're going to get into another video here. This is for the GoPro devices. It says it's compatible with the 5 and 6 on here. But on the website you can see it's actually obviously compatible with the 7 as well. So we're going to get this open here. Shout out to Ugreen for sending this over for review. 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack for your GoPro and portable power station obviously. So what makes this one different is I should be able to put my GoPro battery inside of this bad boy, which I think is pretty cool. So you can buy multiple batteries, and nice little station, nice little setup here. So you've got the charging cable, nicely packaged there. You've got a bag here that you can put it in, which is really going to be nice. It's got a little drawstring. Let's see if there's some branding on it. Oh, it's got a little tab right here with the branding for Ugreen. All right, and then here's the power bank, and you get some obviously some instructions here on the percentage and all that. So this is a nice soft touch feel to this thing already. I like it. Here's my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Along this side here, I'm sure this is probably the power or eject. Yep, you can get it open like that. You can pop your battery in there. We're going to do that in just a second. Here is a Type-C here, since this does have a Type-C connector, and this is a out, so you can charge other things, and there's the power, and that is it, man. You got 10,000 milliamps right there. So I was just recording some stuff, so my battery is not full. So let's pop this open here, and then we just push here, and then you push forward like so. It's really grippy. And then you put your battery in here. Let's see, yeah, it goes in like this. And then you can see it's powered on already, and it's charging my battery. You can see the little charging indicator right there. So to charge this up, you get the Type-C, and you'll plug the Type-C into another source, and then that will give you the power on the go. This is a pretty nice setup here, man. I really like this little battery pack. I was really excited about getting this right here. And so now ultimately what you can do is you can order more batteries and have a bunch of spare batteries always charged and ready to go, or you can just have this for your one battery right here, because you don't need to have you can actually remove your door to your GoPro and then just leave your battery in here and then charge the battery like that by plugging it into the Type-C. That's a cool way you could do it too if you don't want to buy any more batteries. The GoPro Hero 7 Pro battery, it's decent. It's not the longest lasting battery, but it does last for quite some time for recording. But there you have it, man. Ugreen in the house. Got a nice 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack right there. So I'm gonna let this charge up because I was using it just now. So I'm glad this came in. This will run you about 40 bucks online. So hit the link in the description so you can grab yours. Look for some promo codes down in the description of this video if in fact I do put some in there. But if not, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.